In the Age of Aquarius, science and spirituality are together. There is no separation between them two. It's human mind that separates science from spirituality. It is when people say, oh, I am spiritual, or I am scientific. But the fact is that they are both together because both science and spirituality work with energy. And the energy is the essential part of the science. Look at the science now: neuroscience, molecular biology, quantum physics, quantum mechanics. Everything is wireless nowadays. And medicine use energetic equipment like nanotechnology to heal people. So, science using energy. And look at the spirituality. The most important aspect of spirituality is to feel and sense energy and be aware of your energy that runs through your body, and be aware of how you distribute your energy and how your energy affects the humanity. And this is what the Age of Aquarius is all about, to become aware of how my energy affects the collective.